Okay, who's it from?
Aunt Annie.
Aunt Amy, uh-huh.
I open it now.
Yes, you can open it now. Do you want some help?
Cora, would you like some help getting it started and then you can open it?
No.
Brutus wanted to help. He's just trying to help.
Come on, Brutus. Want me to help you, honey?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Here you go.
Let's get it started, that's all.
I'll just start it for you, okay? You tell me when you want me to help you.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming along.
I did it by myself.
Oh, very nice. You did good work.
Can you turn towards me?
Trying your dog this time.
Can you look at your mom? There you go.
We talked about her.
We're a minute and a half in. We're almost there.
There you go.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Oh, you know what you do with those.
They put them on the window.
That's right.
I put them on the window.
Yes,
You
we'll,
say thank you.
Thank you, Amy.
very nice. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And say we'll see you soon.
We see you soon.